Hey guys, welcome back to Dying for Color. This is your girl Star. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys on how to get this beautiful color. I call this the black cherry color, but in reality, it's a cool tone red color. So I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the formula and everything on how I get this beautiful, vibrant color. This is 4 weeks. I haven't seen my client in 4 weeks, and look how gorgeous and vibrant this is. So I'm going to share with you guys the formula, my secret sauce. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for new videos just like this. I have a copper video coming soon. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. So now we're going to mix her root color. We're going to use Goldwell Top Chic 5VV Max with 10 volume. We are doing great coverage, so I accidentally grabbed the 10 volume, and I should have grabbed the 20 volume, but it also covered her grays, which is pretty darn good. I've been using Goldwell for not that long, and I'm pretty impressed with this Goldwell color line. And as you can see, the color lasts a long time. It has longevity, and I'm obsessed with this color line. So I'm also using 5-0, which is like a medium brown from Pulp Riot. I don't have any more colors from Goldwell. I'm still buying a little here, a little there. I'm still testing the waters. So I added 10 volume. This is her root. We want to add more depth. So I added 5EV with Pulp Riot 5-0. If you have 5-00 in the Pulp Riot, I didn't have any on deck, so I went ahead and just used 5-0. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do part her hair in 4 different quadrants, and then I'm gonna go in with the root color, and we're gonna go in and cover the perimeter of her hair, and then we're gonna go in and do sections, half-inch sections to get that root in there. And with 10 volume, with me mixing 10 volume, it actually lifted her. It covered her gray pretty darn well. I'm actually pretty surprised. So yeah, I'm just going in real quick with fast forward, and we are doing her root color, super easy. I went ahead and mixed her root color first, and then did the mid shafts to ends last, because I only had one bow, like one of the Goldwell bows. I need to invest in another one. But of course, I'm new to the line. I'm barely buying stuff from this line, so bear with me. I would have mixed both of the formulas together. So now I'm going on to the next quadrant, and I'm just going in, doing the perimeter as well. And then you just want to do half-inch sections. You want to make sure you saturate to get them grays, girl. Let's get them grays. We gotta get them covered. But look how beautiful that hair is within 4 weeks. And I used Goldwell, guys. I used Goldwell. It was my first time ever using Goldwell on her hair. And with 4 weeks, and it looks like that, girl, it looks beautiful. So I'm super excited. This is my secret formula, guys. So you're welcome. Mixing her second formula, I'm gonna use 6VV with 10 volume, because we're only gonna deposit color only. We don't need any lifting involved. So I'm using 10 volume with 6VV, and I'm getting the last of the color because that's like the last of it from the can. There's about 3 boxes of color in this one can, which is freaking awesome. It's easy to store away, and I can't wait to get more color. So that is the 6VV. We're gonna mix 10 volume, and this is gonna go to the mid shaft to the ends. Now we're gonna go in with this quadrant right here. We're gonna take half-inch sections, and we're gonna go ahead and apply the color from where we left off from the root color and down. So we're gonna go kind of like the mid shafts and down. We're gonna color the rest of the color to refresh her color. And it's super easy. You wanna make sure you saturate. You wanna make sure you get every little hair, because she does live about like 6 to 7 hours away. She drives every 4 weeks to come see me. And I'm so glad that she trusts me doing her hair, because that is a pretty far drive just to get your hair done. And yeah, this looks so beautiful, and she loves my work, and I'm so glad I was able to do her hair and even show you guys my secret formula. So right now I'm just going in, I'm doing my X's, like doing some X's to make sure that I'm saturating every single hair. blow drying her hair right now. Her hair appears darker because it is wet. That happens all the time. Don't freak out. But as I'm blow drying her hair, you can see those red tones showing through. You can see the violet tones showing through. And you can also see a hint of pink showing through as well. I love this color. This color is so beautiful. It's a perfect cool tone red. If you don't like that red color, that red orange type of color, this color is for you. It's perfect for fall. this is the finished product. Look how amazing and beautiful this color is. You can see the pink hues, you can see the red, you can see the violet. This is the perfect cool tone blonde if your client doesn't like any warm tones. And oh, I'm so obsessed, guys. Hopefully you guys love this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Leave a comment down below on what you want to see next, guys. And I'm so obsessed with this color. So beautiful. Hopefully you guys liked, and I'll see you guys on the next video.